Hello everybody and welcome to Tech in 5 Minutes. Today we are talking about the business model canvas. Watch this video to get practical advice on how to describe business concept examples and analyze real-life business models. On our channel, we share thoughts on recent developments in the tech industry. Subscribe not to miss new videos. Let's start. Business Canvas is a time-saving approach to business planning, opposed to traditional planning methods. It is basically a strategic management template used for developing new business models and documenting existing ones. The main advantage of switching from plain text plans to visual canvas is its readability. Let's review other differences. The document volume, as you just have one page, versus old-fashioned huge documents. Canvas has a clear structure. It's easy to understand, as Canvas describes the business model in everyday language. Focus on practical matters. Canvas features useful answers to urgent questions only. Wondering how to write a business model canvas? Watch further. We'll now describe its structure in detail. The first area is customer segments. To define customer segments, you need to describe your clients by demographic and behavioral characteristics. That is, basic demographic characteristics, B2B versus B2C segmentation, usage habits, and purchasing trends. The second area of Canvas is key partnerships. As a software development company, our clients and we at Jelvix typically consider the following partnerships in the business model canvas, such as suppliers, technical collaboration. This section can feature commercial APIs, payment gateway partnerships, cooperation with development teams and agencies, and outsourcing providers. And the third point to include is cooperation with competitors. It's a good idea for small businesses to team up to gain visibility. The third area is key activities. This section is considered the most important one in the entire strategy canvas template. Among the key activities of most IT businesses are product ideation and development, marketing, sales, customer support, distribution and logistics, and public relations. Here we recommend reading our guide on Product Marketing Plan. It will help you to plan your marketing actions as well. The fourth aspect is revenue streams. They are also referred to as monetization. Basically, these are your business strategies to leverage profit. You can mention subscriptions, listing fee, freemium, featured listings and ads, lead-free model, commissions, and mixed revenue model. As a customer, which monetization method do you prefer? Do you like freemium products with ads, or do you prefer a subscription basis? Share your thoughts in the comments. The fifth aspect is value proposition. It is a concise sentence or paragraph that summarizes your company's offer. To make it easier for you, here are some examples. Slack value proposition that is summarized in their slogan, "Be less busy." Amazon value proposition is based on the platform's functionality and popular community. The sixth aspect is distribution channels. So how will the value be delivered to customers? For example, it can be company's blog, newsletter, case studies, and YouTube channel. The seventh point is key resources required to execute the plans outlined in the canvas. To avoid leaving anything out, we recommend grouping them into physical, intellectual, technical, human, and financial resources. The eighth aspect is customer relation strategy. So, this section usually describes programs for maintaining and attracting clients, communication strategies, and technical resources. Typically, we describe first contact, pre-sale process, sales meetings, finalization, and communication. The last point to fill in is cost structure. And among the main types of costs to consider, we define operational costs, marketing costs, support costs, overhead costs, and staff costs. Are you lost now? We hope not. But anyway, let's review an example. Let's look at what YouTube's business canvas could look like. Among the key partners, we can name Google itself as the owner, YouTubers and content providers, and brands that advertise their products on YouTube. Key activities for the YouTube team would be web and mobile app development and maintenance, traffic management and generation, and Obviously, marketing the platform. So, which resources are required? Here we'd name the platform itself, content providers, video player features, technology, and content delivery network. YouTube's value proposition is the ability to watch and share original videos and to stream videos online for free. As for customer relationships, they involve user-generated content, online video sharing, and community. These factors are essential for YouTube. The channels of distribution include the internet, advertisements, website, and partner programs. So, who are YouTube customers? Among the main segments, we define internet users, multi-sided subscribers, advertisers, and developers. Time to think of the associated costs. They include data maintenance, development, maintaining the platform, music licensing, marketing, hosting, and operational costs. And finally, how does YouTube earn money? Obviously, we'll be putting advertising here and monthly subscription with the introduction of YouTube Premium. And that's it. We recommend trying your hand and writing a business canvas of any popular brand. Which brand would you choose for this task? Share it in the comments. This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. Jelvix helps top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We provide world-class enterprise software engineering, design, and technology consulting services. Find our contact details in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. We share the experience of using application programming interface, so make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.